Fill the water tank with water. Do not exceed the maximum level. When you turn on the machine, it will automatically enter rinse mode. You can cancel the mode first. Place a cup. Wait for the machine to preheat. After preheating, then press the hot water button to preheat the cup. Add an appropriate amount of coffee beans and adjust the ground size. For new machines, we recommend starting at ground level 8 and making minor adjustments as needed. Remember to close the lid. If you want to customize the settings, you can adjust the coffee strength and volume using these two icons. Press the double shot or American coffee icon. Then wait for the machine to finish brewing. Your regular coffee will be ready. First, pour milk into the milk reservoir. Unwind the milk tube wrapped on top. Insert one end into the port on the side of the brewing head, and the other end into the port on the milk reservoir. Once installed, if you want to customize the milk foam amount, you can do so via the foam icon. Then press the foam icon to dispense foam. After a short wait, your custom milk foam will be ready. If you want to make other coffee styles, such as latte or cappuccino, adjust the coffee strength, volume, and milk foam amount first if needed. Then press the corresponding icon. Waiting for the machine to finish, your latte or cappuccino will be ready. We hope you enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.